Do you ride a bagger and you like tactical stuff, or you're just looking for a practical organization inside your saddlebag? Stick around because I'm going to show you something pretty cool today. Welcome to Sikbaggers YouTube channel. I'm Steve. Today I'm going to be showing you the Motak TacTiTethers. I don't know if you've seen these before. I had not previously seen these up until a couple of months ago, and now we practically have them for every bike in the shop. And I wanted to get them on camera for you to show you because these things are awesome. So right up front, this is a veteran-owned company, and these things are made right here in the United States. So this was a pretty cool product for me to get my hands on, and I wanted to get them on camera for you. Now, when I talk about tethers, and if you don't know what tethers are, that is the strap inside your saddlebag lid right here that keeps this saddlebag lid from flopping all the way open, right? On the Indians, they're called limiters. On the Harley Davidsons, they're called tethers. So Motak has taken that simple, plain tether that's inside that saddlebag and turned it into something actually useful. So there are a couple of different sizes that you can get as well. There's the extra large and then just the standard one. Now the standard one's just going to look just like this. The extra large is going to have the extra flap down at the bottom, and this sticks. You can see right here, we got Velcro on the back. This sticks to the inside of your bag. So this would stay straight inside your bag all the time, and this, of course, is going to fold up when you open and close your saddlebag. So MOLLE stands for Modular Lightweight Load Carrying Equipment. So the MOLLE system's been out for quite a while, and you'll see it installed in a lot of things, including like tactical vests, tactical backpacks, pretty much anything tactical. Now, once you have the MOLLE system installed on something, you can purchase individual MOLLE equipment pieces. So Motak has a few of these things listed on the website, as you can see right here, but you can absolutely go to just about anywhere and get MOLLE equipment. So one extra little bit of awesomeness inside this tether is a hidden pouch right here. So if you want to keep anything valuable, you can open this up and slide this in right here. So maybe you just want to keep your paperwork or maybe some valuables in there that you don't want easily seen when the saddlebag is open. That's an excellent spot to put it. So from here, I'm going to bring you over to the table and I'm going to show you everything that we got today. And then we'll go through a little bit more stuff that they actually have available on the website that I don't have. First thing I want to mention is, we showed you the black one at the beginning, but they make other colors. They have the gray, they have the camo, they have the olive drab, and I think they have like the tan, like the desert tan. So you have options to get different colors in these. And one other cool thing that they do is custom embroidery like this. You can see we've got our Sikbagger logo on this one. That turned out amazing. So if you want to get something custom done, you need to contact them. And of course, like we had to send over our vector file to get this done, but they can work with different images, maybe your company logo or just a saying or something that you want on there. One thing I want to mention though is if you do a custom embroidery like this, you'll notice you don't have MOLLE system on this. So you're going to need to get the XL to get included MOLLE. That's the part that hangs down the bag and sticks, right, with that Velcro on the back. That part sticks, but you get that custom logo on there and you still have some MOLLE on there to make it work. And like I said, they have those for Harley and they have them for Indian. But if you scroll on down past that, they have other options available too. You can get on there and get different patches, man. They got American flags, they got veteran stuff on there. They got the Motak TacPig patches like this. And they also got this FU, U, F, and F patch. So while I like to drop that word like it's a comma when I'm off camera, try to keep clean on Sikbagger channel, right? So lots of patches to choose from. And if you scroll on past that, you'll see a couple of pieces of equipment that they have. This is the MOLLE cell phone case. It's called a media pouch. It's the extra large because I have a huge phone. On the back side of that, you can see the MOLLE straps on that. That's an easy way to show you how MOLLE works if you're not familiar with it. This isn't just a Velcro thing that you're sticking other Velcro stuff to it. On the back of that pouch, you can see those two straps. Inside, each one of these pieces is sectioned, right? So you can see I can stick my finger through there like that, right? That's how MOLLE works. You can just Velcro it, but you want to get MOLLE equipment that the straps go through this and actually stick to it, right? And if you're wanting something very specific, I guarantee you that if you just Google it and add MOLLE to it, you're going to find it, because this system's been around for a long time. The military's been using it forever, and they've made just about everything out there that can attach to this stuff. It's all universal. So make sure to check out all of the MOLLE equipment that they have. But like I said, if you're looking for something very specific, just jump on the internet and you will absolutely find it, right? Inside your bag, you're also going to get full instructions that show you how to install these, which we're going to cover that today. Super easy to do. One cool thing that I noticed, they had the alcohol pads for wiping off the inside of the plastic on your saddlebag to make this stick way better, right? You want to make sure that plastic's clean. You got a business card in here, contact information, of course, QR code on the back side that you can scan with your phone. It's going to take you straight over to their install video. And they also add a Torx bit key key that you're going to need to get this job done. So maybe if you don't have a Torx bit set, you don't have to go out in your garage to try to find one or run into town to get it. It's right here, it comes in the bag. So good on them for doing that. That's pretty awesome. One other super important thing to note is when you go to order these, check the website. There's a drop down menu for the color, of course, that you want, but also what style bag you have. 93 up to 13 is one tether. Then you got the 14 and newer, which is another tether. But when you get into the newer bikes, the 23 CBO and newer, 24, 25 and on up, you've got 1 year in there where they changed a few bikes, but they didn't change the other. So in 24, if you bought the Street Glide, Road Glide, you got the new one touch hardware. But if you bought the Ultra Limited, and I think the Road King, they hadn't changed it yet in 24 either. So now you've got those bikes that have the older style bags on it. So make sure you go out and see what bags you have on your bike before you make your order. I definitely want a couple of glasses cases to put one on each side, one for me, one for the wife, for our night glasses. When we switch over, we're not just laying them in the tour pack anymore. We've got a nice case to put them in. So these things are made tough, like tactical style, right? So when you think of something tactical, you think of something tough that's not going to tear up, and I promise you this is it. These things are made really well right here in the USA, like I said. So that shows you everything that we got. Let's get over here and let's get one installed and see what they look like in the bike. Now this is a 24 Road Glide, but we've taken off the newer style bags and put the older style bags on here so we could do like the stretch bags and stretch fender and all that stuff. But like I said, the install is going to be exactly the same on any year bike. It's just a couple of screws. We're going to take our torque wrench, we're going to go down here and bust out these two bottom screws. Now with the bottom release, the lid will come all the way open, right? So now we got our two screws up here. Inside your current tether, you're going to have two metal bars inside there, right? So you're going to have to get these metal bars out of there, like that. Sometimes these can be tight or they get caught up on the material. Just kind of move them around until you get one side exposed, and then you can pull them right out. So the tether already has the holes kind of pre-drilled into them, and they are going to be a little bit tight. But there's a reason for that. It's going to hold that screw in place once you get it in. So we can kind of just hand start these in, go down here and get our bottom one started. I'd like to leave them loose until I get both of them started. Go ahead and run those in. Now we had Phillips head screws on ours at the top instead of the Torx bit because we'd changed those out. So, but if you've got the standard Harley ones, you'll have the Torx bit top and bottom. So don't worry about that. These are just what screws are in my lid, so that's what we're going to use. Then we're going to pull that bottom flap up, take our provided alcohol swab, and we're going to make sure that that plastic is clean. You need to let that flash dry or make sure that you have a clean towel with no oils or anything on it, right? Once you get that, pull the sticky off the back of the Velcro, let it fall down and stick to the inside of the bag. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and install the rest of these, and then we'll get the camera off the tripod and we'll get inside the bags and we'll see what these look like. Now hopefully that video showed you the TacTiTethers and the different bikes that we have here. Now I've got one more that I'm going to do, and I'm going to do some short videos with that, so stay tuned for those on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, stuff like that. Just because I really like them and I want to get them out there so everybody can see them. Like I said, these have been out for a while and I wasn't even aware of them, so I wanted to get them on camera for you. Once again, veteran-owned company, made in the United States, super tough, and it's not just a plain old tether that holds your lid up. Now, it has functionality to it, right? Remember, like I said, you can jump on the website and it has a few different pieces of equipment that you can buy and put on there, or you can just search around for any Molly stuff that's out there. But like I said, if you're looking for something specific, I'm absolutely sure that you're going to find what you're looking for out there on the wild, wild web. If you want to get your hands on a set of these, I'll put a link down in the description down below. It'll take you straight over to Motac's website. And remember that they do those custom embroidery ones too. So if you want to do your name or maybe your club that you ride with or your company logo, get a hold of them and they can more than likely do that for you. But make sure to check out the entire website because they do have a lot of stuff to offer over there. If you have any questions on these, drop in the comments section down below. I'll try to help you the best that I can, or just hit them up over there at Motac. I'm gonna get out of here, get myself cleaned up. I hope to see you in the next video, but until then, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze. Hey, thanks for stopping by and checking out our videos today. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that like button, hit the little subscribe button popping up over here. If you want to check out more of our content, I've got 2 videos right here that'll get you started. Not really gonna say anything else, just click one of those videos and take you to another video.